Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's video features the Attention Shoppers stamp set, and we're making a cute little gift pouch. I've made these little pouches plenty of times, and I just think it's kind of the perfect sentiment for a gift pouch. So let's go ahead and get it made. You're going to need a piece of paper, that designer series paper that measures 6 inches by 12 inches. The reason that I love making this particular pouch so much is that you can get 2 bags from one sheet of 12 by 12 paper. So this paper is actually from the Unbounded Beauty designer series paper, which is also in the brand new Stampin' Up annual catalogue. And these are actually 2 of the new in colours. So this is Petunia Pop, which is the colour we're using back here, and the other colour is Summer Splash, and the other side of it is one of the other UN colours, which is, I want to call it Peach Pie. Let's get it wrong. Yeah, Peach Pie. I always want to call it something else. Really pretty, so you could use either side, but we're going to stick with the Petunia Pop and the Summer Splash colourway today. Very easy to make this. Let's get this made first. So like I said, it's 6 inches by 12 inches. Bring your simply scored scoring tool in, and on the short side just score at 1.5. So that's the bottom of your bag. Turn it round to the long side and score it 1.5, 5.5, 7 and 11. These, if you click down to the description bar, you'll see these dimensions. So fold all your score lines. I think I folded that one a bit not very straight. Just fix that. Alright, so that's how it goes together like that. It's not a really big bag, but it'll hold some treats, no worries. So we're going to just cut away that small rectangle down there. Get your paper snips, cut up to that one, and just wedge that out. And then we're just going to cut up from the vertical to the horizontal score line. So cut up, but don't cut it away. Into here, and just sort of give it, make it sit a little bit cleaner. Just trim those again, just on an angle. Okay. All right. So we're going to put the bag together now. And all we're going to do is fold over that edge to meet that folded edge. Grab your adhesive. Bring those 2 together. Fold in your tabs, and then I like to keep that like that seam there at the back, so I know that's the back of the box. Fold in and then come across like that. And that is the box made. Very easy to make. Now if you want to, you can push those sides in if you want to give it sort of a more of a a bag shape, but we'll just do that for today. So I've got another piece of Petunia Pop, and this measures, it should measure 2 inches by 4.5, but it looks like I've cut it too short. So let's fix that. I'm just cutting another one. Let's grab that out. It should be 5, I think, 2 inches by 5. 5. That's 5 inches. No, it's definitely 4 3/4. It's 4.5. Oh yeah, I definitely didn't cut it right. It's 4.5. That's 2 by 4.5. Yes. And I'm going to do a little bit of stamping, tone on tone stamping on this one. So I'm going to bring in my foam mat and the stamps, and I've got ahead using a piece of basic white and one of the dies from the Nested Essential Dies, that one right there, for our sentiment. So let's go ahead and do some stamping on the piece of Petunia Pop. So tone on tone. This is just some random stamping, just to give that background a little point of interest. And just going to clean that off quickly. I'm going to need that one again. Right, now we're going to stamp in the same colour, the sentiment. I wasn't sure about this colour, but I'm really slowly getting used to it, the Petunia Pop. So come quite far down the bottom here, as far as you can. It certainly is one of my favourite sentiments. Shopping is always a good idea in my book, always. Even window shopping is a good idea. So we're aiming to get 2 on here in the Summer Splash colour. Oh, I went a little bit far down there, but I think that's okay. I think we can live with that, right? Okay, now it's a simple case of putting it all together, but before we do that, we're going to make a ribbon using one of the in colour ribbons. So this is the Summer Splash ribbon. All of the in colours have fabulous ribbons, stitched ribbons, and they really are quite fabulous. And I'm going to sort of do a cheats ribbon here, a cheats bow, if you like, with my ribbon. There we go. Just cut that one off. And I'm going to grab my stapler. Put a little bit of tape in the middle here, you won't see it. Just to hold that ribbon. Pop it on an angle, like that. And then our sentiment's going to come all right over the top of it. And we'll adhere it with dimensionals. Nearly done. Easy bag to put together, really easy to put together. Really nice way to use this. Very cute. Really cute stamp set. And then to adhere, just use whatever tape you like. So I'll put the seal. here. Just going to start at the bottom, line it up, the edge, and then up there. And there it is. That's the very cute gift pouch made using the Attention Shoppers stamp set. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, stampingmary@gmail.com. I have put links to all the products I've used in the description bar below. If you click on them, you'll be taken directly to my Stampin' Up store. Thanks again and have a great day.